Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Sparrow Wallet on Windows. Sparrow Wallet is a secure desktop Bitcoin wallet designed for the users who want full control over their transaction, privacy and peace. It supports hardware wallets and advanced Bitcoin features. It works on the Windows 10 and later. Now let's install it on your PC. So first open to any of the brands. After you download it to your Sparrow Wallet, you can simply go to the Windows browsers downloads over here. Open to any of the downloads, and on the top right corner we can find this downloads here. Go to this Sparrow and select to this file location here showing the folder, and over here you will find this Sparrow app. What you can do is simply double click to this and you need to run. That is it. This is how you can install to this Sparrow Wallet. After that you can go to the search on the bottom here and type down Sparrow Wallet, and over here it will show to the app and you can open to it. The start menu, search for the wallet and open it. You can also create a desktop shortcut for the easy access, and always download Sparrow Wallet from the official website only. Avoid third-party sites to protect yourself from the malware. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.